So to set up your Amazon Authors profile, first thing you ought to know is that before you can have an author's profile on Amazon, you have to have a published book on Amazon. That is, your book has to have gone live before you can now set up your profile. So first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're already logged into your Amazon KDP account. The next, you want to go to your browser and then search for authorcentral.amazon.com. So you go there. So since you're logged in, you are going to see a page that looks similar to this. By the way, I am logged into my own author's profile because I want to use this as an example. Yeah, so you see a page that's similar to this, and all you need to do is to do either of these three things. Search the title of your book, or the ISBN, or the author's name. So once you type in that, either your title or ISBN author's name, the list of books that have similar titles or ISBN author's name will pop out here. You will get to see more variations of books, especially when you use author's name, because it's likely that the author name you use will be similar to other authors' name on Amazon. So one of the easiest and fastest ways to get your book showing here is to use the ISBN. So once you do that, you will see a list of books. All you need to do is just to click on that particular book that is yours, and you'll be asked if you want to use that to create an author's profile. All you need to do is just say yes, and that is it. So when you do that, what you then see will be similar to this page. You see a page that will be similar to this, but of course without the picture here and a number of things I'm going to show you. So what you will do when your account, your author's profile begins to show something like this is you can click on this part where you see edit profile, or you click on this part where you see profile at the top here. Either of them will take you to exactly where I want you to see. So click on edit profile and you'll be brought here. So what you simply do is you use this pencil icon to upload a picture. So you click on upload a new photo so that you upload your author's picture that will be shown on your author's profile here on Amazon. After you have done that, you go back. Just you come back to where you see biographies, and then you also add your biography. In this case, I'll just click on edit, but in your case, you see it will ask you to add your biography. And you just copy your biography, make sure you change the language to English. At this point, when you are trying to do it for the first time, there will be no language option. You just select the language, this in my case English, and then you type in or paste, copy and paste your biography here, or your author's bio, whatever it is that you want people to know about you. You paste it here, click on preview bio, and then you click on publish bio. So once you do that, it's now going to take about 24 hours for everything to go live. Now, lastly, on this part, you will see the provision for you to create a customized link for your own account. I have a customized link here because I've already done it. But in your case, you see it's a blank place for you to put your customized link. And all you just need to do is to put something you can remember, something you like, your name, or anything related to you that can be easily used to get you here on Amazon. The downside of this is that the moment you select any username or any name attached to this, you cannot change it again. And this is only applicable to the US marketplace. So you can only have Amazon.com /author YouTube can excel, for instance, but you cannot have Amazon.co.uk /author and so on. So you only have this available to the US marketplace. So having done that, You just wait a while and you will be informed via email when your author's central account is available for you to use. Your link here can take between 30 minutes and 24 hours for it to be available, so that when you now click on this link, it automatically brings you to your author's profile here on Amazon, where you have all the books you have published all in one place, and people can also follow you here on Amazon. You can check the home page, you can look about, you can check all the books you have, and you can easily share that link with anybody, especially when you now begin to publish more books that you want to collate in one place like a store. In my case, I have these books, and if I want anybody to just come and buy any of these books, I will just simply send them that link instead of having to come copy individual links to send. So this is how you set up your own author's profile here on Amazon, and how you can get your customized link to share with just anyone who you hope to get your books.